In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on a Windows PC. By the end of this walkthrough, any links you open, from emails, documents, or other apps, will automatically open in Chrome, making your browsing experience smoother and more consistent. First, make sure you actually have Google Chrome installed on your computer. If you don't see the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, you'll want to download and install it from the official Chrome website before continuing. Once Chrome is installed, close any unnecessary windows so we can focus on the settings. Now, on your Windows desktop, move your mouse down to the bottom left corner and click on the Start button. This is the Windows icon. In the menu that opens, look for the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings and click on it. This opens the main Windows settings window, where you control things like system, devices, and personalization. Inside the settings window, find and click on the option labeled Apps. This section manages installed apps and different types of defaults. On the left-hand side of the Apps window, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Default Apps. This is where you tell Windows which program to use for things like email, maps, music, and most importantly for us, web browsing. Scroll down in the Default Apps page until you see the section labeled Web Browser. You'll see an icon and a name under it, which is the browser Windows is currently using by default. It might say Microsoft Edge, or possibly another browser. Click directly on that browser icon. A small list of available browsers installed on your computer will appear. In that list, select Google Chrome. As soon as you click on Chrome, Windows will switch your default web browser over to it. You may see a brief confirmation or prompt, and if you do, just confirm that you want to change the default. To double-check that everything worked, you can open a link from another app, like an email or a document, or simply click a web link from the Start menu search. If it opens in Chrome instead of your previous browser, you're all set. That's all you need to do. You've successfully made Google Chrome your default browser on your Windows PC. Now every time you open a link, it will launch in Chrome automatically, keeping your browsing consistent and exactly where you expect it.